Hey, welcome friends to Scrapping It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and today I want to do a quick tutorial on this. I want to show you something, and I know there's probably other crafters out there that have done this, but I just happened to think about this. I had a question raised inside my group, which is Scrapping Pages in Time. So if you're not a member of my group, it's Scrappin' Pages in Time. I will put the link down below to the group and ask to join it, and I will accept you. There's 3 questions to ask, and one of them is give me your email for, updated newsletter, what's going on in my world of scrapbooking. So if you would like to receive emails from me, then you can give me your email address. If you don't want to, that's fine. I still accept you inside the group. It's where I give ideas for scrapbooking. You can ask questions in there, show projects that you have made with my tutorials and stuff. So it's a great place. A lot of great ladies in there, so please join us. Okay, I come up with this. Like I said, there's probably other crafters who have done this, but I just want to do just a quick tutorial on it. I'll show you what I've done. Okay, we all have these little bits of scraps left over, and I just backed it to cardstock, and I made a tag out of it. I made a little booklet out of it. And look at this, ladies, a pocket that can fit inside our mini albums. Ain't that cool? So this can fit inside our albums, and you just use up your scraps from your collection. Ain't that awesome? And then on this paper line, a tag, you could even draw a circle on here, cut it out, draw a heart on here, cut it out, and you would have the design of the paper. You could cut strips out of it and do your 12 by 12 page layouts out of it. And then here's another one. And then, you could use this one as an insert inside your mini albums. Put cardstock to put your photo mat, or put a photo mat on here to put your photo. How cute. Very cute. Now here is a page, okay, that I wanted to show you, that instead of doing, just a second, I'll show you guys. Instead of doing a page like this, of just one sheet, you could do a page like that, ladies. Ain't that cute? Very cute. Or, you could put a pocket inside your album made out of this. Ain't this a cute idea? And like I said, there's probably other crafters that's done it. I have no clue. But I wanted to come on. I shared it inside my group, and the ladies just really liked it. So I wanted to come on here and share it. So, let me just give you a real quick tutorial on how to do this. You can use glue. Whatever you want to use, just make sure you get end-to-end coverage on this, ladies. End-to-end coverage, okay? Oh, I should have done it as a pocket. Darn it. Wasn't even thinking about that. Okay, so now what I do, I grab my scraps. Let me grab some scraps from over here. Okay, there's a scrap. There's a scrap, and I usually try and do light, dark out of this, okay? Should have my scrap pieces ready, but I didn't. That one's, oh, that one does work. Let me see what else I got over here, ladies. So I'll cut this piece down, and your scraps can be any size, okay? Any size. Is there any more that we need to cut down while I got my trimmer out? Okay, let's get a couple of darker pieces if I can. Well, maybe. Here's one. And here's one. All right. All right, there's our pieces. Now next what I do, I just kind of line them up, light to dark. So we'll start with this one, then we'll go to light. Let's do the pink. Then we'll go to dark and light. Let's do this one. Then dark to light. Okay, that should get us. Okay, now I just line this up on my grid just to get my first one where it should be straight. We hope anyway. Stick it on here, get a good stick, then butt your other one just right up against it. Don't overlap it, okay? Oh, I was going to angle this one, I forgot. But you can angle it too, just like I did this one. I angled it instead of straight, because this is a pocket that you would put in your mini album. Okay. Oh, I should have cut that one down just a little bit, but that's all right. That's all right. Make sure you get a good stick. Flip it over. Just cut right along your cardstock, okay? Now, if you're making a pocket or making a page for your album, you kind of want to angle your scissors just a little bit so you don't cut into your folded cardstock that you'll be attaching, okay? But this is a great way to use up scraps. Great way to use scraps up. And we all have those scraps. I know you do. If you're a crafter, you have scraps. But I wanted to come on here and share this with you guys today. So now you have an insert to put inside your mini album. And then you could put, and I know this one's probably too big, but you know, you could put your photo mat, put your photo on it. You could do a pocket inside your album. You could do a page inside your album, okay? So I just wanted to come on here and share this idea with you guys. Have fun with it. It's a great way to use up scraps and a totally different look. Can you imagine that inside an album? Beautiful, beautiful. So, okay, that's all I have for you. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button and notification button so you never miss out on anything that I upload. Okay, keep scrapping. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.